20 Health Benefits of Drinking Coffee. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Drinking coffee in moderation can have several potential health benefits. Here are 20 health benefits associated with consuming coffee. 1. Increased alertness and focus. Coffee contains caffeine, a stimulant that can help improve alertness, concentration, and mental performance. 2. Enhanced physical performance. Caffeine in coffee can boost endurance and athletic performance by stimulating the nervous system. 3. Weight management. Coffee may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and suppressing appetite. 4. Improved mood. Coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of depression and improved mood. 5. Lower risk of certain diseases. Regular coffee drinkers have been found to have a lower risk of developing conditions such as Parkinson's disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 6. Reduced risk of heart disease. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of heart failure, stroke, and coronary artery disease. 7. Antioxidant properties. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. 8. Improved liver health. Coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of liver diseases, including liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. 9. Protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Coffee may help protect against neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 10. Lower risk of stroke. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of stroke. 11. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing certain cancers, including liver, colorectal, and endometrial cancers. 12. Improved cognitive function. Coffee may help enhance cognitive function, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. 13. Reduced risk of gallstones. Coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of developing gallstones. 14. Improved gut health. Coffee may promote healthy gut flora and have a positive impact on digestive health. 15. Reduced risk of gout. Coffee has been associated with a lower risk of developing gout, a type of arthritis. 16. Lower risk of death. Several studies have found an association between coffee consumption and a reduced risk of premature death. 17. Protection against certain eye conditions. Coffee may help protect against eye conditions like retinal damage and glaucoma. 18. Lower risk of erectile dysfunction. Moderate coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction in men. 19. Reduced risk of multiple sclerosis. Coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of developing multiple sclerosis. 20. Longevity. Some studies suggest that coffee drinkers may have a lower overall risk of mortality and longer lifespans. It's important to note that individual responses to coffee can vary, and excessive consumption or sensitivity to caffeine may lead to negative effects. It's recommended to moderate your coffee intake and consider consulting with a healthcare professional if you have any specific health concerns. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.